Hello, my name is Walter Buyu. I am a principal consultant at DISE Consulting, and I will be sharing our experience in developing OER resources for the Cybersecurity Training for Teachers course offered by the Commonwealth of Learning from 2020 to 2024. My focus will be on identifying the problem of practice and collaborative OER. When COVID-19 hit in 2020, there was a need to upskill teachers in cybersecurity in a scalable and sustainable way, and this created an opportunity for COL to step in. In particular, the Commonwealth of Learning was keen on developing a cybersecurity course offered as a MOOC that would help upskill teachers, teacher educators, and other education practitioners in cybersecurity, enabling them to protect themselves, their learners, and institutions online. COL conducted ICRAL, where I was working at the time, to develop a cybersecurity course for teachers. In exploring the development of such a course, we examined what was currently available online. We found that existing courses were technical in nature, not contextualized for educators, copyrighted, or requiring a fee. Considering these factors, it was clear that there was a need to develop a course that would be freely available to educators and which they could use and adapt as needed. We therefore developed a cybersecurity course series which was offered in two parts: the Cybersecurity Training for Teachers course and the Advanced Cybersecurity Training for Teachers course. One of the things we had to do was simplify cybersecurity and contextualize it in a teaching learning environment so that educators would be able to understand the concepts, considering that most of them were new to this domain but needed to address cybersecurity issues in a short time as teaching and learning had transitioned online. This approach proved successful and came to be known as teacherizing cybersecurity because most participants, even those without a computing background, found the courses simple and relevant. Additionally, we incorporated the use of free and open source software and explored the native capabilities available in the operating systems that participants were using, both on their computers and on their phones. The other thing we did to enhance the learning experience was to adopt multimodal learning. We developed videos, audio transcripts, images, PowerPoint slides, and write-ups for each module. Furthermore, we held webinars where we invited industry experts from Africa, Asia, Europe, and North America to share their field experience with the participants. To advance these courses beyond the MOOCs, we developed two guides, a study guide and a facilitator guide, which the educators could use when offering the courses at their institutions. Collaboration was key to the development of these courses. ICRAL developed the course outline and shared it with COL for review. We then transitioned to development, where 4 course facilitators created the content. Once complete, the content was reviewed internally and by COL. As experts in cybersecurity, we didn't have the necessary skills to work on the video content, so we engaged a videographer who handled video production, audio production, transcription, and editing of the webinar recordings. We also involved a graphic designer who created images and designed brochures, PowerPoint templates, Microsoft Word templates, the study guide, and the facilitator guide. When the course offerings began, ICRAL, COL, and industry experts participated in their delivery. To refine the resources, feedback from participants, facilitators, COL, and industry experts was continually incorporated. In addition, an external reviewer from Carnegie Mellon University, Africa, with expertise in cybersecurity and education, reviewed the courses after the third offer, leading to further enhancements. To create awareness about the course, we relied on the networks of ICRAL, COL, the industry experts, and the external reviewer. Through these networks, we were able to reach more participants, some from new countries. Overall, we managed to reach over 19,000 participants from 110 countries. Lastly, we've worked with COL to analyze and draw insights from these courses and share them through presentations and publications. Thank you.